Hey guys, Lady Borgia, welcome and happy fall. It doesn't feel like fall here yet, but I'm super excited for it. I want to wear a sweater. I'm still wearing a sundress. It's really hot here. But anyway, we've got something today that you do not want to miss. We're going to be testing out multiple eye looks. We're going to be reviewing multiple palettes. And if you didn't see the title, this is the truth about sample beauty, eye looks, and review. And that is not clickbait. You do not want to miss this. So give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and ding, 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 dong, ding. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. All right, let's jump into a little bit about the palettes, a little back information, the shade, and then we will go into the multiple eyeshadow looks, and I will give you my final thoughts and if the lady likes it. All right, let's go. Okay, before we get into that truth about Sample Beauty that you really need to know about, I'm going to give you a little bit of background. Sample Beauty is a UK indie brand, one of the many that I bought from recently. I will link some videos above. And I've been checking out neons, brights, colors, rainbow palettes, whatnot. They're really trending right now, and I love that because I love colors, fluorescence, brights, all kinds of bright, colorful rainbow eyeshadow looks. So I popped in there, and the first one I saw was this Immensity palette that is supposed to have fluorescent shades, and I thought it was gorgeous. It was sold out on Beauty Bay, but they just brought it back into stock on Sample Beauty, and if it sold out and was doing that well, I thought it had a pretty good chance. It looked pretty good. I was hoping to be pigmented. I saw this Hydrographic palette as well, and both of them are part of a quad collection of 10 pan palettes that have 2-gram pans each, which is really great because the loose pigments and loose neon pigments that I just reviewed before that you guys voted on, and I will link that above, those had anywhere from 1 gram to 1.8 grams. So this had more, and I was like, great, you could use this for so many things. Then we get to the issue. I got this, and when I first opened it, I didn't even notice right away. It was until the second time, and I was getting sick, so obviously I was fuzzy. But 5 of the 10 shades in each palette between these 2 palettes of the quad are the same, but named differently, which I think is some shady shades. That's just not cool. You got here, 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 and these 2 purples. You might not want to buy both palettes. It might not matter, but it bothers me that it wasn't made really apparent and why they were named differently. I understand that they're different palettes, but they are in the same collection. So right there, that's not cool. And I was going to do these palettes separately, but in good conscience, I couldn't do a review and not show this to you immediately because I would have felt like a jerk. So I'm going to use them anyway. We're going to check them out. We're going to review them, do multiple eye looks, check out, review multiple palettes. And you know what? It's either you're getting a palette and a half if you buy 2, or if you really like those colors, you're getting extra, or you just don't have to buy both if you like them. So we're going to jump into it now. I'm going to do a couple eye looks and we're going to test it. If you would like swatches on my arm, I'd be happy to do them on my Instagram stories, but I want to be showing you on the eyes how they look the same. That's it. And let's go. We're going to start with Lagoon in the Hydrographic palette. And this is a matte. Woo, some kick, that's okay. We're going to go into Dory. Woo, also kicky. Okay, this is one of those repetitive colors with a different name. This is the Hydrographic. I just used Dory. This is the Immensity, and this is Momentous. And look, I'm going to use the same color. And look at that. Sure is. A shady shade. And then we're going to go into this matte purple anemone. Sea anemone. Why can I say it when I say sea first? And then colossal. So we're going to dig into that and see if it is exactly the same. I swatched them before. It is. Okay, they're pretty pigmented. There's a little bit of fallout. There's a little bit of patchiness on this side, but it happens. All right, we're gonna go into what's Phyto, and then in the Immensity palette, Infinity. I used Phyto on my right eye and Infinity from the Immensity palette on my left, and it's the same. So, of Core from the Immensity palette, you don't have to do this. I just want to try a little yellow right now and just pop it right here. Now we're going to take Atlantis and then a little bit of Typhoon. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. I'm going to take some Ursula and pull it out. Okay, I went ahead and cut that crease with P. Louise base in 0.5, and then we're going to go back into a Phyto with a flat shader. Ooh! I'll kick some. Alright, it's okay. We got a lot of it. Then we're going to take some Plankton. Ooh. Okay, camera wasn't recording, but I started putting on Ciate in Iconic as an eyeliner. Okay, before we get to liner and lashes, it is a glitter time, which I'm going to be doing a whole video about that coming up. And poof, we have a liner and lashes. And I did the waterline with some Huntington Beach from Jeffree Star, and then back into Ciate Iconic, like the upper liner. I'm going to take a nice little smudge brush, and we're going to go into Typhoon. And then we're going to go into Plankton and blend that out. And I'll be right back with the finished look. And here's the completed look. I'm kind of getting Halloween vibes, which I wonder why. Ooh. Alright, we will discuss plus and minuses and everything I think, and review and give final thoughts at the end. So, next look. Alright guys, this time we're going to start with the Immensity palette, which is all mattes. There's a little bit of a satin, but that's just to help it go on. And I'm on my way to a birthday party, so this is what I'm wearing. And we're going to start with this shade, Boundless. Okay, and I ended up cutting it out in a kind of winged out shape. We're going to go into Apex, an orange matte. Alright, not as bright as I expected, but I think you can build it up. And now we're going to take this yellow core and pop into that. Same brush, just wiped off, 507. Ooh. Just a touch higher. Alright, we're going to go into Magnitude with this little pencil brush. Alright, I like how it's blending, but I have to say right now that it's like disappearing or dissipating very quickly, even packing. So I'm having to go in quite a few times with these shades here. I think I used everything but this, so these 4 shades. Okay, let's go. I got a party to go to. Alright, I did a quick kind of half cut with P. Louise base in 0.5, and I only did this side because I want to make it sticky, because we're going to go back into the yellow. Okay, added a little bit of glitter, Midnight Cowboy, Urban Decay, just right here. It is heading towards evening. Alright, we're just going to blend this in a little bit, and I warn you, keep the yellow away from the red or you'll muck up the yellow right here. It won't be a clean yellow. So I'm going to go into Apex and just a little blend, tap it in. And then back into Core, which I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a divot in it now. I had to use so much. Don't use your yellow brush. Use this brush and just kind of pat a line lightly. Alright, liner and lashes on. I only did enough liner just to cover the band, and oh my god, it's peeking through in here. I don't know why that's wet. Okay, that's really weird. What the hell? That was dry and nothing touched it. Well, we're gonna keep going. Here's the lash shades that are the same in each palette. Diligence and Title. I put a little bit of white liner under my NYX, and we're gonna try each one. I'll do Diligence on this side, Title on the other. All right, wait, a little bit more. Woo, can't see moment. That happened. It'll go away. Title on the other one. And yep, that's the same. Whoop, yep. All right, and we're just gonna take some magnitude right here in a smudge brush and bring it around a little bit. A little Ambition mixed with Apex. All right, next time you see me will be the complete look, and we'll talk about everything. And this is the completed look for today. Okay, does the lady like it? What do I think? This look overall, yes, I do like this look. I liked the last look. I like how they blended together. This yellow though, there is a divot. It took one heck of a lot. Most of these had pretty good fallout. The yellow had the most, and it's definitely not the best and brightest. It's okay. Some of these, I really like the colors. I do want to get back into the Hydrographic palette again. There are 3 shimmers, but everything else in all the other palettes are mattes. Should have mentioned that before. Sorry. Do I like them? Yes. Are they a 10 out of 10? No. And I think the 5 shades, here, 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 I'm getting very fast at that, obviously are the same. I used this, whichever one I was using on the right, I used the other one on the left, and then sometimes I tried to put it like right next to the color so you could see. I think that sucks. Don't do that. If this is the Quad Squad collection, and these are 2 of the Quad Squad, tell people if you're going to put the exact same freaking colors in 2 of the palettes. I don't know if the other 2 palettes are like that. I checked it out again. There's pictures at the intro, or actually in the beginning with the info. You guys take a look, see what you think. I don't think that's cool. Admit it. Just admit it. Hey, we're throwing those in there, and those are the same. We're not blind and stupid. All right, there was a little wonkiness on this lid with the yellow. Not sure what that was about. Maybe it was because it took so damn much to make it like a total matte look. But overall, I like them. I will use them again. I give them like a 6 or 7. But yeah, the lady likes it for the most part. The lady does not like the dupe, double up, whatever, scam, shady shades, whatever you want to call it. So on that note, I gotta go, guys. I love you all, but guess what? Happy birthday. I love you to the person out there. You know who you are. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, know who you are. Happy birthday to you, I love you. Okay, they know who they are, and I gotta go celebrate. All right, I love you all. Lady Borgia.